Hey, do you want some cake?
Cake.
How do you ask nicely? How do you ask nice?
Please, Mommy.
Say yes, please, Mama.
Yes, please, Mama.
Okay.
Please, I
Say-
need four.
There you go.
Here you go.
Is it delicious? Can you say delicious? Is that yummy? Is it delicious? Take a big bite. Can you say mmm?
Mmm.
Say delicious.
A piece.
Oh, use your fork. That's yummy. Can you say thank you, Susan?
Susie.
Can you say delicious?
Delicious.
Susan makes the best cakes.
Just another one.
Oh. Bye, buddy.